Amazon Simple Notification Service, or Amazon SNS, is a highly available, durable, secure, fully managed publish and subscribe messaging service that enables you to decouple microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. Amazon SNS provides topics for high-throughput, push-based many-to-many messaging. Using Amazon SNS topics, your publisher systems can fan out messages to a large number of subscriber endpoints for parallel processing, including Amazon SQS queues, AWS Lambda functions, and HTTPS webhooks. Additionally, SNS can be used to fan out notifications to end users using mobile push, SMS, and email. Let's review some of the benefits of Amazon SNS. Amazon SNS uses cross-availability zone message storage to provide high message durability. Running within Amazon's proven network infrastructure and data centers, Amazon SNS topics are available whenever your applications need them. All messages published to Amazon SNS are stored redundantly across multiple geographically separated servers and data centers. Amazon SNS reliably delivers messages to all supported AWS endpoints, such as Amazon SQS queues and AWS Lambda functions. In case the subscribed endpoint isn't available, Amazon SNS executes message delivery retry policies and can also move messages to dead letter queues. Amazon SNS helps you simplify your publisher-subscriber messaging architecture by offloading the message filtering logic from your subscriber systems and message routing logic from your publisher systems. With Amazon SNS message filtering, subscribing endpoints receive only the messages of interest, instead of all messages published to the topic. Amazon CloudWatch gives visibility into your filtering activity, and AWS CloudFormation enables you to deploy subscription filter policies in an automated and secure manner. Amazon SNS leverages the proven AWS cloud to dynamically scale with your application. Amazon SNS is a fully managed service, taking care of the heavy lifting related to capacity planning, provisioning, monitoring, and patching. The service is designed to handle high throughput, bursty traffic patterns. Moreover, there is no upfront cost, and no need to acquire, install, configure, or upgrade messaging software. Amazon SNS topic owners can keep sensitive data secure by setting topic policies that restrict who can publish and subscribe to a topic. Amazon SNS also ensures that data is encrypted in transit by applying Amazon ATS certificates to support its HTTPS API, and can also encrypt data at rest by using AWS KMS keys. Additionally, using AWS Private Link, you can privately publish messages to Amazon SNS topics from your Amazon VPC subnets, without traversing the public internet. Amazon SNS can also support use cases in regulated markets, and is in scope with compliance programs, including FIPS, HIPAA and FedRAMP.